klaseng ayok kayo ito. Okay, now, George, ready ka na ba, boy? And there we go. And once again, folks, that is George, our black palm cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayan cockatoo po. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now, folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home are being destroyed. Okay, na ipapakita yan ni George po ngayong hapon, okay? Magtatanim si George ngayong hapon po, pero bago gagawin yan, Kuya Richie, ready na ba? Gagamitan ni George? Alright, and there you go, we have two soils. Ang ating two branches. Alright, now boy, are you ready? Okay, now George, ready? Kuya! Alright, now Kuya Richie, lapag yung kahon. Alright, now boy. Alright, now saan natin ilalagay? Ulo. Ayan, alright, very good. One more. Okay. Ayan, saan natin ilalagay? Slowly but surely. And, okay, asan? Oh, ay, mag-ibig yan. What's empty? Oh, dalawang puno na yung okay, one more. Okay, isa pa. Oh, saan natin ilalagay, boy? Ayun o. Okay yung mag-alala, folks. Punta tama yan ni George. Okay, like I said, kanina we are still working with all the animals. As much as want to treat them, we don't want to change their behavior. No, boy! Ayan na! Here we go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our mother. Now, folks, little fan fact, they use their nest using twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nest using twigs. At yung hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, syempre, hindi tayo mag-volunteer. Sino gusto? Mag-volunteer. Ato po ang yan.